Our alphabetical adventure begins now with the letter A. We'll meet over 100 incredible creatures, from the familiar to the fantastical, each with a name that starts with this first letter. For each, we'll uncover a key detail about their place in the scientific tapestry of life. Let's begin. In the wilds of Africa, we find our first ambassadors. The Aardvark, Archaeopteryx afer, a nocturnal termite eater, is the sole survivor of the order Tubulidentata. Its name means earth pig. The aardwolf, Protellus cristata, is not a wolf, but a shy, insectivorous member of the Hyenidae family. The mighty African bush elephant, Loxodonta africana, and African forest elephant, L. cyclotis, are the giants of the Elephantidae family. The painted hunter, the African wild dog, Lycaon pictus, is a social canine. The desert-adapted addax, Addax nasomaculatus, is a critically endangered antelope in the Bovidae. The bizarre Iai, Daubentonia madagascariensis, is a nocturnal lemur, a unique primate. Other African A mammals include the African civet and African palm civet, family Vivaridae, the elusive African golden cat, Felidae, and the fierce African wild dog. We also find the African bullfrog, Pyxocephalidae, the African clawed frog, Pipidae, the African tree toad, Bufonidae, and the infamous Africanized bee, a hybrid of the honeybee species, Apis mellifera. From the skies of Africa comes the iconic African fish eagle, Haliaeetus vocifer, of the Accipitridae family. The African grey parrot, Psittacus erythicus, is a genius among Psittaciformes. The lily-trotting African jacana belongs to Jacanidae. The African penguin, Spheniscus demersus, is a species of penguin in the Spheniciformes. Even a pest, the African sugarcane borer, is a moth in the Crambidae family. Our global tour of A-birds takes flight. The Abyssinian is a breed of domestic cat, Felis catus. The Acadian flycatcher, Empidonax virescens, is a neotropical migrant tyrant flycatcher. The Adelie penguin, Pygoscelis adeliae, is an Antarctic spheniciform. The admiral butterfly, genus Limonitis, is a Nymphalidae brush-footed butterfly. The Amazon parrot, genus Amazona, and the dazzling Amazonian royal flycatcher, Onychorhynchus coronatus, hail from the neotropics. The albatross, family Diomedeidae, masters the southern oceans. The American robin, Turdus migratorius, is a widespread thrush. The Anna's hummingbird, Calypta anna, is a North American Trochilidae. The anhinga, or snakebird, is in its own family, Anhingidae. The avocet, genus Recurvirostra, is an elegant wader in the Recurvirostridae. The Australian firehawk refers to raptors in the Accipitridae, known for spreading fires. Now, to the reptiles and amphibians. The Achi monitor, Varanus acantharus, is a small Australian monitor lizard. The agama lizard is a common sun worshipper in the Agamidae family. The Aesculapian snake, Zamenis longissimus, is a European colubrid. The American alligator, Alligator mississippiensis, is the apex of Alligatoridae. The anaconda, genus Eunectes, is a massive boidae constrictor. The Aldabra giant tortoise, Aldabra chelis gigantea, is a giant tortoise of the Testudinidae family. The alligator gar, Atractosteus spatula, is a prehistoric species of Lepisostidae. The amethystine python, Simalia amethystina, is a large species of Pythonidae. The critically endangered Amur leopard, Panthera pardus orientalis, is a jewel of the Felidae. The Argentine black and white tegu, Salvator mariani, is a large lizard in the family Teidae. The axolotl, Ambystoma mexicanum, is a neotenic salamander in Ambystomatidae. The American toad, Anaxyrus americanus, is a common species of Bufonidae. We find more, the Achistrodon contortrix, the copperhead, a pit viper. The Anole lizard, family Dactyloidae, is a master of color change. The Antiguan racer snake, Ulsophis antiguae, is a critically endangered colubrid. The Arabian cobra, Naja arabica, is an elapid, The Arafura snake, Acrocordus arafurae, is an entirely aquatic, scaleless snake. The Arizona black rattlesnake, Aruba rattlesnake, and Arizona coral snake are all venomous residents of their namesakes. The Asian vine snake, Ahatula prasina, is a slender, rear-fanged colubrid. The Asian water monitor, Varanus salvator, is a massive, aquatic varanid. The asp refers to the Egyptian cobra, Naja haje. The armadillo lizard, Ouroboros cataphractus, is a cordyllidae lizard that curls into a ball. The exanthic ball python is a color morph of the Pythonidae species Python regius. The insect and invertebrate world is teeming with A's. The Acreoptera manga is a stunning pink and blue stick insect. The ambrosia beetle, subfamily Scolitinae, farms fungus in trees. The American cockroach, Periplaneta americana, is a significant pest in the Blattidae family. The American dog tick, Dermacentor variabilis, is a common Ixodidae tick. The ant, family Formicidae, needs no introduction. The Antarctic scale worm, Eulogisca gigantea, is a giant predatory pollinoid worm. The Arizona bark scorpion, Centruroides sculpturatus, is a potent Buthidae scorpion. The Arizona blonde tarantula, Aphonopelma calcodes, is a New World Theraphosidae tarantula. The armyworm is a destructive moth caterpillar, Noctuidae. The ashy mining bee, Andrena cineraria, is a solitary ground-nesting bee. The Asian giant hornet, Vespa mandarinia, is the world's largest hornet. The Asian lady beetle, Harmonia axyridis, is a widespread coccinellidae. The Asian longhorn beetle, Anoplophora glabropenis, is a destructive Cerambicidae beetle. The asp caterpillar, Megalopyge opercularis, is a venomous moth larva. The assassin bug, family Reduvidae, is a predatory insect. The assassin snail, Anentome helena, is a carnivorous freshwater gastropod. The atlas beetle, Chalcozoma atlas, is a massive member of the Scarabidae family. The atlas moth, Attacus atlas, is one of the largest lepidopterans. The angled sunbeam caterpillar is the larval stage of a dazzling moth. The apple moth refers to several pests in the family Tortricidae. Beneath the waves, the A-list is immense. The Amazon River dolphin, Inia geoffrensis, is a freshwater cetacean. The albacore tuna, Thunus alalunga, is a commercially important species of Scombridae. The Alaskan pollock, Gadus calcogrammus, is a key Gadidae fishery species, the alligator gar we've met. The Amano shrimp, Caridina multidentata, is a popular Attidae species for aquarium cleaning. The amberjacks, genus Seriola, are powerful Carangidae gamefish. The American eel, Anguilla rostrata, is a catadromous Anguillidae fish. The American paddlefish, Polyodon spathula, is a filter-feeding Polyodontidae. The anchovies, family Angrolidae, are small, schooling forage fish. The angelfish, family Pomacanthidae, are vibrant coral reef dwellers. The angel shark, family Squatinidae, is a flat, ambush predator. The anglerfish, order Lophiiformes, are deep-sea masters of bioluminescent lures. The archerfish, family Toxotidae, shoots water jets to knock down prey. The Arctic char, Salvelinus alpinus, is a cold-water salmonidae fish. The Asian arowana, Scleropages formosus, is a prized bony-tongued osteoglossidae fish. The Asian carp refers to several invasive cyprinidae species. The Atlantic cod, Gadus morwa, salmon, Salmo sala, and sturgeon, family Achypenseridae, are all vital to ecosystems and human economies. The Australian flathead perch is a fish in the family Perchichthydae. The world of domesticated breeds is dominated by A-dogs. The Affenpinscher is a toy breed in the Canis lupus familiaris species. The Afghan hound is an ancient sighthound. The Eidie, or Atlas mountain dog. The Ainu is a Japanese Spitz-type breed. The Airedale Terrier, the king of terriers. The Akbash is a Turkish livestock guardian. The Akita is a noble Japanese breed. the Alabai, or Central Asian Shepherd. The Alaskan Husky is a sled dog type. The Alaskan Kleekai is a miniature husky. The Alaskan Malamute is a powerful Arctic breed. The Anatolian Shepherd dog is another Turkish guardian. The Appenzeller dog is a Swiss herding breed. The Aardvark is a West African sighthound. And the hybrids, the Airdoodle, Airedale plus Poodle, Akita Shepherd, Alaskan Shepherd, Alusky, Malamute plus Husky, American Alsatian, Aussie Doodle, Aussie Dor, Aussie Pom, Australian Labradoodle, Australian Retriever, Australian Shepherd mix. Other American breeds: the American Bulldog, American Bully, American Cocker Spaniel, American Coonhound, American Eskimo Dog, American Foxhound, American Hairless Terrier, American Leopard Hound, American Pit Bull Terrier, American Puga Bull, American Staffordshire Terrier, American Water Spaniel, American Wirehare, a cat breed. More domestic animals: the Abyssinian Guinea Pig, Cavia porcellus, a rodent breed. The alpaca, Viconia pacos, is a camelid. The alpine goat is a dairy breed. The American pygmy goat is a miniature breed. The Angora ferret is a long-haired mustelid pet. The Angora goat produces mohair. The Aoudad sheep, Amatrigus lervia, is a wild bovidae sometimes kept in captivity. The Australian cattle dog, Australian kelpie, Australian shepherd, Australian terrier, Australian bulldog, and Australian mist, a cat breed. The Australorp chicken is a heavy breed of Gallus domesticus. The Ayam Semani, an all-black chicken breed. The Armenian Gamper is a livestock guardian dog. Our final category is the prehistoric and the legendary. The Albertonectes was a giant elasmosaurid plesiosaur. The Allosaurus was a large theropod dinosaur. The Amargasaurus was a distinctive sauropod. The Amphicoelius fragilimus is a sauropod known from lost fossils, potentially the largest dinosaur ever. The Andrewsarchus was a massive, enigmatic mammal belonging to the Mesonychidae. Anomalocaris was an ancient arthropod apex predator of the Cambrian seas. The Antiosaurus was a fierce dinocephalian therapsid, or mammal-like reptile. The Aramborgiania was a gigantic Ajdarchid pterosaur. The Archaeopteryx was a giant extinct lemur, primates. The Archaeopteryx was the famous avian theropod, bridging dinosaurs and birds. The Archaeotherium was a terrible pig, entelodont mammal. The Archelon turtle was the largest sea turtle ever, Chelonaidae. The Arctodus, the short-faced bear, was a giant carnivora. The Arctotherium was the largest bear ever, a South American tremarctine. The Argentavis magnificens was the largest flying bird ever, Pteratornithidae. The Argentinosaurus was a colossal titanosaur sauropod dinosaur. The Arsinoitherium was a rhino-like embrythopod mammal. The Arthropleura was a giant millipede-like arthropod. The aurochs, Bos primigenius, was the wild ancestor of domestic cattle, Bovidae. And while not an animal, Australopithecus was an early hominid genus crucial to human evolution. We also have a general term, the anteater, referring to several vermilinguan mammals, such as the giant anteater and the antelope, a term for many bovidae ruminants. The ape refers to hominoid primates like chimpanzees and gorillas. The armadillo, order Cingulata, is an armored mammal. The armored catfish, family Loricariidae, is popular in aquariums. From the Aardvark to the Aardvark, the Archaeopteryx to the Axolotl, this has been our expedition through the amazing, the adorable, and the awe-inspiring world of animals whose names begin with A. A single letter contains worlds of wonder, connecting the deepest past to our present day, all part of life's incredible story. If you enjoy this, make sure you're subscribed to our channel, Zoological Tab.